Welcome back. So I will never understand how seeds get into the wrong cell, because all these are supposed to be beets, but I have a beet over here that looks like a beet. All this is supposed to be kale, but I have a kale over here and a kale over here. How? What is the spinach doing way over here? Why is that spinach over here? I mean, I just don't get it, but I guess that's just the way it goes, you know? I got some pretty cilantro over here, some parsley there, which to me, this is supposed to be parsley, and these are supposed to be jalapenos, so I don't know how. I mean, it could have jumped, but it's just so weird. I just planted some kumquat seeds. Still got my Swiss chard growing just lustfully beautiful. Let's talk about the elephant in the room today. Well, let's go down here. Oh, isn't that pretty? That kale is pretty. I got some green peppers coming up over there, real small. That's another kale. And then I got some green mustard here. And the renegade spinach. The lettuce in the middle. And some more brassicas in this pot here. And look at that red clover. Isn't she pretty? Let's see if you can see it. Look at that red clover. Just gorgeous. Dandelion. Gorgeous. Oh. That's the elephant in the room right there. Those girls, the 7 of these beautiful little babies. And we grow these for medicinal purposes. Not necessarily for inhalation. But they are looking beautiful. The rosemary is beautiful. I had a rosemary too that looked like it had died. That's my volunteer lemon. She's looking good. I mean, she just grew up out of nowhere. I don't know where she came from. I don't know how the seed got where it got. But I uprooted it and brought it on over here with the rest of them. And let's see, I still got some kale over there. I see some jalapenos over there. I'm not walking over there because I don't have on the right shoes. And I'm not barefooted. What is this? Oh my goodness, okra. Is that okra? Look at you. Look at Miss Okra Piece, honey. Oh, look at this okra right here. Oh, yes. We got okra coming. This bed here, believe it or not, is full of asparagus. And it's full of more kale and mustards. I just tossed the seeds in there. And now I have all these little... And they've grown, too, since the rain. So they're all coming up real nice. All right, this is a really quick video just to see how everything is looking. And here's my mint. It just comes back every year. It dies down. You think it's dead, but it's not. And it just comes right back. Just comes right back. It's delicious. Cuban time, Mexican time, Spanish time. I don't know which time it is. I just know that it's delicious too. And it's looking really nice. Let's go on over here. Over here I got some more mint. Some more of the Spanish time. Something's over here eating stuff over here. Over here eating the sweet potato too. I wonder what that is. But they gotta eat too, so I don't bother them. Whoever and whatever it is. All right, so thanks for coming over. Thanks for stopping by. And thank you to all my new subscribers. Oh my goodness. My subscribership has jumped exponentially in the last month. Or a few weeks, actually. And I just want to thank all my new subscribers. I appreciate you. I hope that you come back and then you're inspired to grow your own as well. I do. I pray that you are inspired to grow your own. Yeah, I got my little peanut holes in there. That's my avocado. I don't think she's gonna live. I don't know. It's so hard to grow avocado. If you're not buying the tree, the tree already done or already growing, I don't think you're gonna get one. It's the hardest thing for me to do. Look at the pomegranate tree. All her leaves are gone. Now I'm gonna do a prune on her. I'm gonna do a serious prune on her and bring her down. Let me see if I put it up there. Because if I don't bring her down, oh my goodness, she's just gonna grow like crazy. So yeah, I got to do a good pruning on her. But anyways, remember to always do your best. Be blessed and grow something.